Before arriving at Thailand's Koh Ngai Island, we traveled by boat from Koh Lipe Island. And it was a rough one.
World Street.
We are now on Twitter. Just look for 2020 World Street.
Today we're at Koh Ngai off the coast of southern Thailand, and today we're going to walk along the eastern beach of the island all the way from Koh Hai Fantasy Resort to Koh Ngai Cliff Beach Resort. We generally don't stay at islands that only have resorts, but I heard many stories about this quiet island's beauty, so I really wanted to check it out. After our walk, we'll take a hike over the center of the island to check out a beach on the south side of the island. The length of this beach is about 1 kilometer. On the way back, I was thinking about what I would have for dinner. My favorite food in Thailand is masaman curry.
You had it 3 days in a row. Today, let's go explore the only hiking trail at Koh Ngai. There is one hiking trail on this island, and it leads to the other main beach on the south side of the island. It crosses over the highest hill on the island and includes climbing ropes. The trail to Paradise Beach took us about 30 minutes.
The only bad thing about the hike is where does this trail lead to? Paradise Beach.
We waited about 2 hours for the tide to be high enough for us to take a boat back to the east side of the island. What a nice place to wait.
So, what's next?
In the next video, we'll compare the nearby island of Koh with Koh Ngai, and also have some underwater snorkeling video to show how clear the water is. Thanks for joining us at 2020 World Street. Hope to see you soon.